video, we're going to be recording on Google Flow, and I'll be teaching you guys how to create your own video on Google Flow. So it technically is loading. You click on new project. After that, we now wait for everything to load, and we now go to ChatGPT and ask her to create a prompt. Well, I'm going to ask her to create a prompt on a girl that is basically just watching cartoons. So I'm just typing, and you can create your own in the comments. Well, I'm just gonna be making my own now. Well, you should be watching what I'm doing, because I'm basically teaching you guys so you can send what you did to me in the comments, or you can just share the video. Go straight to this video exactly like that. So technically I'm just gonna be doing like a few things. This is really a tutorial. This is gonna be part 2. So technically I can just make some mistake. I can just fix that. Technically I just put it here and just click on speed. So technically now she's gonna be watching TV. Well, I'm basically very pro with this, but I'm just teaching you guys so you, when in the future videos, they can be pros like me. So this is what I want ChatGPT to create. You click on this button right here if you want to send it to ChatGPT. Well, it's just waiting for the thing to load. It can just be waiting. So it's almost loading, I think. I don't know. It's almost loading. Yeah, it's gonna take long. It's gonna take long. It's basically, I think there's an error with this. Maybe not. Maybe just because it's really loud. So I don't know what to do. We have to finally. I just wanted to say that we have to wait for it, but this is cool. It cozy and just another stuff. I can make a Roblox style version or just an anime style. I think I don't know if I should make this one or this one. I'm gonna go with this one. Finally, it's not gonna take that long. Well, the options aren't really there, so just highlight everything, then click on Ctrl C, then go to the flow. Now you click on Ctrl V. Now you can just go here and just wait for the video or the images to wait. And plus, if you want to do it, you can do it 16.9, and you can do it 3x, and you can just do it. You can also do it 9.16. That's gonna be a square, and also generating will use 0 credits. And the specific thing you're going to be creating is anything. Like now you always use Manu Banana Pro, because that's the only one that will give you options to do it on chat. So now basically I'm just gonna look for the ones I want to use. But basically there's not really that much I don't need to do. So click on the video, then go to the start and pick anyone. You change the videos to 1x because I don't want to waste all my credits. So now go here. I can choose anyone I want to do, either this one or this one. Basically like this one more. So now go to chat and then go here. Then I'll create a prompt on her, basically just going to Play Store. Well, basically, this is just a tutorial. There's gonna be more videos like part 2 and all the stuff. Now let me just type all of this. Yeah, technically I'm just spelling everything wrong. I think this is gonna, yeah, technically I'm spelling it wrong. I think this is how, yes. Play Store with, basically I'm gonna add her cousins there, because her cousin came to visit. So basically I'm gonna change a few things. So now her cousins, and the girl is saying she was getting to get to the best part. And also, you can do anything you want and just tell me what to create in the comments, or if you just want to snap the whole thing and just send it to me if you want to. Oh no, it's yours. It's you guys that is gonna do it. So basically, I'm not really talking about, but still, it's gonna be cool. This is gonna be cool because even though it's gonna be anime still, so I'm gonna change a few things. I'm gonna make her say, "Come on, I was getting to the best part." Technically, I'm just typing. I'm just putting anything in my mind right now, because this is the only thing in my mind. So. This is gonna be almost the end of the video right now, but still, this is gonna be cool, very cool, as I said before I started typing this line as you can see. And now you click on the same button to send it to her, and you have an amount of messages. Once it finishes, you cannot do it anymore. I'm waiting for these things to load. Well, finally. Now the next scene, you have to do the same thing. Highlight everything, then click on Ctrl+C and all the stuff. So I highlight everything, click on Ctrl+C to copy, and now go to flow, and now click on Ctrl+V to paste, and now it's already changed to video 1x, and it's at 16.9. so basically videos take longer to load than pictures, because picture they use 0 credits, and plus it takes like a few seconds. Videos they just change by 1 number each time, but some of the pictures they change by 3, they change by 5, they change by 7, 9, but still. I'm gonna wait for everything to load up. Well, basically it's taking long. I'm waiting for this thing to load, because basically this is gonna take very long. Yeah, I've been like more than like 10 seconds so far, and it's still loading. Basically it's just at 36 seconds, 37, 38, nice. finishing. Now it's just generating. Everything's generating. Then now it's connected. Then just play it. This is the best thing. Plus, it even has sound. I can even leave it like this, and just leave it like this. So we can just go to ChatGPT and ask her to do more things, like the girl getting in the toy store. If you're a beginner, you can use create a prompt for every single message, but me, I'm a pro, so I don't need to create a prompt. I literally love this app, even though it's not really an app, it's just on Microsoft, but I still love it because I love creating videos. Now the girl is in the toy store. I didn't really expect the girl to actually walk inside the toy store. I thought they used a car or something, but I guess ChatGPT made them to walk. And the girl basically wants a specific toy. The girl basically wants a specific toy, and she's gonna start crying if she doesn't get it. So I'm gonna change a few things. The sentence before is the girl is inside, and this is not really finishable. And now I'm gonna go and basically I can finish it if I want to or not, but this video is not ending here. So the girl is gonna say I want this toy while basically crying. That's what I changed. So after this, I'm not really gonna end this video. So after crying, you now click on this same button again to send it. Basically, when we're done with every sentence, you just click at the button, the black button. So basically, we just highlight everything, click on Ctrl C, then go to flow, and just go here, then click on Ctrl V. Basically, you can just type in your own sentences inside this place if you want to or not. But basically, I like using ChatGPT because it gives a lot of things I don't even imagine me reading. Sometimes I read it, sometimes I not. Waiting for this thing to load is very, very slow, but kind of faster than you are kind of making a video. If you click here, it will take you back, but I'm not gonna click there because I don't want it to take me back. Plus, you have to start all over again to get to this part. Basically, just don't X the app. You just have to click. Then you now have to scroll up and just highlight everything. Click on Ctrl C. Then you now come here, click here, and click Ctrl V and to paste it. And other stuff. Basically, this percent is basically at 49, and soon it will start highlighting that. Basically, and I'm doing it. It stops at 60. I don't know if it's gonna stop at 60 or not. Basically, at 57, 59 to 60, 61. Now let's wait for it. So basically, we just pass it and. I can see how it goes so far. It's because I've never taken this long. basically it didn't turn out as I expected, but it's still cool. Now if you like this video, like, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Now